Hi everyone, Kitty here. I have a really fun idea for your whole family. You see, for the last 25 years, I've been performing my interactive theater shows live, but now I'm performing them virtually. Cinderella's Fairy Godmother is now a 30-minute interactive movie. So instead of adults and kids interacting with me on stage, they play along with me from home. But better yet, I can edit them right into the movie, so when they're watching it, they're the ones interacting with Fairy Godmother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
There were 7 roses, just that color, including the buds, if you would count the buds. I'm not certain I would.
I'll tell you exactly what actions you need to capture with your cell phone. You send them to me, and I edit you right into the movie. Next, lift a pillowcase up under your chin.
We need some helpers, do we not?
We do.
I want everyone right now to pick up your pillowcases. Hold them right up under your chin, just like that. Oh, see what else she's doing? She's excellent. Good girl. Everyone, this is the mold.
This would be great around the holidays. If you can't all be together in person, you could still all be in the movie. And what a howl it would be to have this to share with your loved ones around the country. Put in kids, cousins, grandparents. You could even put the cat in.
Who worried the cat? Who killed the rat?
A prop list is provided so kids can play along with the story. I know so many of us have lost our livelihoods during this period, so we can talk about pricing that works for you.
You're getting married!
Yes! You can reach me either on Facebook or through my website. Families need something fun and magical to look forward to during this time. So together, let's make something really special.